In this video, I'm going to be telling you everything about the Target affiliate program, how you can actually earn money with Target. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel very consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Target to earn money online, how you can actually recommend their products and earn money with it. Chances are that you are already doing this, but you are not earning any money. So everything it's going to be here in this video. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, by now I'm pretty sure that you already know about Target. This company is pretty huge and they do have a lot of categories and a lot of products that you can actually buy online, like products like electronic, toys, furniture, video games, and all this stuff. So here, pretty a lot of of products that we can actually recommend. So how we can actually earn money with them? Okay, if you already bought something, and this is a cool thing, it doesn't matter where you bought it, the item, you can recommend it and you can actually let them know like at loss, as long as it's actually listed on Target, you can guide them like, hey, you like, I don't know, you like this piece of furniture, hey, go, here is it, here's the actual link. So in order to join and sign up, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click here where it says affiliates and partners. Here on affiliates and partners, you are going to have the opportunity to partner with Target. You can recommend your Target finds and earn competitive recommendation through their affiliate program. Okay, something really important, guys, is that more than 80% of the companies, they do have an affiliate program. Okay, we are not going to go with the Target creators. We are going to go with this one. Okay, the affiliate program. So here, literally, you are going to sign up. I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. You are going to have a lot of opportunities to earn commissions. There is an easy way in which you can actually track when people click on your link. The more, you know, people you send, the more money you are actually gonna earn. So they're gonna give you a lot of information like newsletter, promos, deals, and all that stuff. So you're gonna actually let know people, first of all, people you know, and I'm going to share with you information of how you can actually share it with people that, you know, chances are that they don't know right now who you are, but they are going to be interested. Okay. They're going to be interested. So it's really easy. I'm going to show you how you can actually go into sign up, how you can actually earn up to 8%. Okay. And as you can see, they have over 1 million products that you can actually do. So here you're going to click here where it says become a Target partner. Remember that we're going to go with the partner program. We are not going to go with the influencer one. Okay. You're going to go with the partner program. That's the one that you are going to go with. So now a cool thing. You literally gonna click here, you're gonna be redirected to Impact. Impact, it's a marketplace, so you're gonna have more opportunities to join other companies as well that are listed there. The only thing is that you need to follow the procedure and fill out the form if you want to be part of Impact. Okay, they are the ones who take care of everything. They are the ones who have the affiliate dashboard. They are the one who process the payments and all that stuff. So once you join, I'm pretty sure that you have some questions. Okay. For example, like the cookie, just in case that you don't know what the cookie is, it's like when you share your special link with someone, because you're not going to be sharing the link with Target right away. They're going to assign you a special link, you know, people click and they need to know like, hey, these people, this person actually are coming because XYZ person recommend them. Okay, cool. So the lifetime of the cookie is 7 days. So that means that they can place their order within 7 days and you're going to get the commission. But here is something actually really cool. Okay, this is actually something really cool, and I want to read it out loud because chances are that if not, you're gonna miss it. It's with their commission structure, unlike many other websites, you're gonna get paid each time the customer places an order within 7 days of clicking your affiliate link, not just the first time. That's actually really, really huge. Because most of the time what these websites do is that if someone make the purchase, okay, they're gonna be start sending them emails, and most of the time you do not get a commission for that, but with Target you are gonna get a commission of that. So actually that's actually super, super cool. How do you become a partner? I already show you, but here you're gonna have the link as well to the same page. I actually show you who can become a Target partner. Well, anyone with a website, with a blog, an influencer, but you need to have your traffic from the US. Okay, you need to have your traffic from the US. But what if you what is your website outside on the US? Can you actually join? Yes, definitely you can actually join. This is a free program. You're also going to have a dedicated program manager. I already explained you about the cookie. Okay. And this is actually something really, really cool. The EPC, or the earn per click. Okay. I have to explain you this. Okay, it doesn't mean that every single time someone click, you are going to be earning a commission. No, that's not the way how it works. It means that on average, for every 100 clicks, people are earning between 12 to $13. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure that you might be wondering, like, then how do I actually get started with this? I don't have a blog, I don't have a website. Can you help me with that? Don't worry, I have you covered, and you can start for free. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So as I told you before, I have you covered. If you are not a web designer, web developer, you don't have any kind of programming skills, don't worry, you can start your blog right away. You can start having a website right away. Okay, you can go to the link below and you can open a free account. It's not a free demo. It's not a trial. It's actually a free account on System.io by using the link below. Then you're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says blog. Then you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put the name. Then you're going to choose a domain. You're going to get a subdomain, but I prefer to use a .com, .net, that's a domain. And now you can actually have a preview of how your blog is going to look like. And this is going to be created in record time. Let's say that I want to have a preview about this template. So I click on it, and this is actually how your blog is going to look like. Okay, and you're going to have the opportunity to fill out with all your information. Once you choose the design you like, you are going to click here where it says save. Okay, so now this is going to be my blog, and here I can add the pages. Here I can add the categories. The cool thing about Target is that you can promote products from different categories, and you can actually list them this way. Okay, and also you can actually create your article. You're going to click here where it says create, and you're going to have an article. Okay, I'm going to click here so you can have an idea of how it's actually look like, and you can actually drag and drop with your information and all the stuff. Once you like it, you're going to click here where it says save. In my case, this is just a demo article, so you can actually have an idea, and you can have write your articles yourself. Nowadays you can write articles also, with the AI technologies. You can also create, for example, like an Instagram page in which you can share your discoveries, things that you like and you find on Target and all the stuff. So here you can also put your links. You can do this the same, like a small videos on TikTok. Okay, and also remember the articles that you're going to be writing on your blog. The most important thing here is definitely to have this blog. because as you see here in the questions, is the fact that, you know, you need to have a website or a blog. In this case, you can actually build both with System.io. I suggest you to go with the website. So it's going to be ranking on Google. People can find it. It's easy to maintain. It's easy, well, easier actually to put the information there. So I hope you actually enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.